This all-purpose wrench is so popular that if you order it right now, you'll have to wait until February 2024. An iconic tool, reimagined for the 21st century, is vividly described by the seller. This wrench, weighing 10.6 ounces and measuring 7.1 by 2.4 by 0.5 inches, is versatile. It is suitable for fasteners with a diameter ranging from 0.02 to 0.9 inches. Beyond its primary function, it acts as a multi-tool, serving as a knife, hammer, bottle opener, and bit holder when needed. Not only is it efficient, but it also adds a touch of fun to its use. Priced at $148, it may seem steep, but online replicas can be found for around $23. This makes it accessible to those who find the original price too high. Why not reinvent the crowbar? The result is on your screen. This tool simplifies demolition and dismantling tasks, handling various jobs from floor to roof. The premium option, priced at $125, provides power for tasks like sheathing, deckboards, drywall, and steel fasteners. Weighing around 10.5 pounds, the model minimizes arm strain with its wheel feature, while its clever design enables you to work without unnecessary bending. An impressed owner describes the 48-inch version as a powerful tool, especially effective on plastered walls. The next product is a more sophisticated tool. This digital torque wrench, likely recognized by experts, is designed for precision tightening, commonly used in applications like car suspensions. Originating from a German company, it boasts a vibrant touchscreen. Despite its steep price, around $8,500, it offers extensive functionality. Configurable through a PC, it includes optional 2D scanning, compatibility with XML format, and various features. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it ensures measurement accuracy within plus or minus 1%. Beyond displaying data, the wrench emits acoustic and vibration signals. The range's capabilities go beyond the screen, making it a comprehensive tool for joint tightening tasks. Here is an accessory to help you with grounding rods, used to safely work with various machines, equipment, and tools. This device prevents electric shocks by grounding excess charge. The manufacturer provides two models for driving rods, positioned 3/4 or 1 inch above ground. This accessory eliminates the need for a sledgehammer, making it handy for sloped terrain or when dealing with large rods. Typically, these rods must reach a depth of approximately 10 feet below the frost line. Both models feature a hexagonal end receiver, and the design is already patented. Here is another interesting product, a hammer for marking trees. This set is handy, especially in the timber trade. It simplifies marking pieces for shipment after the wood has been sold. The basic set, priced at $344, includes a hammer, labeling system, nail bag, and a shoulder strap for easy carrying. The hammer can hold up to 40 tags and is designed for one-handed loading of nails, making it safe and practical. With a weight of around 28 ounces, it's a convenient tool for timber professionals. This connector is a godsend for both private builders and public utilities. This connector simplifies joining pipes, accommodating various thicknesses and materials like plastic or concrete. Its nominal diameter ranges from 12 to 94.5 inches, with a maximum angle of 11 degrees. Designed to withstand ground movement, it ensures a stable connection. Crafted from PVCU or polyvinyl chloride, known for chemical resistance, It's suitable for transporting various substances, including sewage. Despite its advances in the automotive industry, drivers are still struggling. With over 1 billion cars worldwide, accidents can happen despite one's experience. Thankfully, paintless dent removal technology aids mechanics in restoring cars after accidents. It involves using tools such as hooks, riveting tools, and induction systems, like the one mentioned, for small dents. While effective, it demands skilled handling and isn't advised for white cars, as it may cause the paint to yellow. However, the PDR process is faster and requires less material than traditional methods. So even with the vast number of cars globally, it offers a quicker and resource-efficient solution for addressing random accidents. Our selection continues with a product from the DEWALT company, founded in 1924 and known to builders all over the world. In 2021, the company achieved significant success by becoming the official tool supplier for the McLaren F1 team. One featured product is the lock jig, designed to assist in cutting doors for lock installation. This versatile tool is suitable for both wood and metal doors, thanks to its M3 steel hole saws that withstand heat and harsh environments. The lock jig can handle doors up to 1.75 inches thick, ensuring a secure hold with reinforced grip plates. The kit includes essential components like adapter mandrels, extra bits, and other useful accessories. Priced at $158, this product offers a comprehensive solution for door installation needs. Versatile product that will interest foresters, gardeners, gamekeepers, and other professionals. In nature, using this $75 grabber makes clearing unwanted shrubs and trees a breeze. It works without chemicals, ensuring no roots are left behind. The grabber easily attaches to tractors, up to 45 horsepower, ATVs, buggies, and similar equipment. With 16 teeth designed to securely grip plants up to 3 inches thick, it's so effective that a patent application has already been filed. This innovative tool streamlines the process of removing vegetation, providing efficient results. All the hard work and ingenuity behind this product comes from the efforts of a single person. This is the absolute novelty that revolutionizes the wire and cable pulling procedure. The creators describe this innovative product as a solution for quicker and easier installation of lines on construction or renovation sites. Unlike the usual requirement for 2 people, this tool enables a single person to efficiently complete the task. By simply loading the cable, pressing a button, and waiting, the tool works autonomously, eliminating the need to hold it. It accommodates cables up to 49 feet in length, and its battery provides up to 4 hours of operation. Additionally, it includes a remote control for added convenience. Priced at $1,264, this tool offers a cost-effective and user-friendly solution for line installation, streamlining the process and enhancing efficiency. Forklifts are both popular on construction sites and in warehouses. In 2018, Toyota earned over $11 billion by selling forklifts, and upgrades for these machines are highly sought after for improved efficiency. The model comes in various versions, supporting a load capacity of 4,400 to 11,000 pounds and a lift height of 10 to 13 feet. The boom is adjustable in lengths ranging from 3 to 13 feet. Enabling the forklift to function as a mini crane. These versatile features make the forklift adaptable to different tasks. Surprisingly, you can purchase this system for as low as $1,500, making it a cost-effective solution for various lifting needs.